Power na. So gamit natin itong napaka-cute ng microphone na to. Wireless yan guys. Power on natin. Sound check lang siya. Nakikita nyo kung paano ako gumamit ng microphone. Napakalayo guys. No? Napakalayo, napakaganda ng pick-up niya. Sound check, hello, sound check. Mic test. Alright. Karaoke testing na tayo. It's late in the evening. She's wondering what clothes to wear. She puts on her makeup and brushes her long blonde hair. And then she